So, I am approaching this from a scholarly viewpoint, not a beer parlor viewpoint or armchair viewpoint. And I am a science student. So everything I give to you is based on scientific proof that I have told you about 4 historical sites in Igbo land. One in Nsukka, one in Ugule. Ugule is in Uturu. Uturu community is located in Abia State. One in Afikpo, and then one in Ibuku. The only one that you have just popularized so much is the one in Ibuku because of the Ibuku arts. The cave in Ugule, the materials discovered there, the ass heads discovered in Ugule are over 250,000 years old. Scientifically proven. Scientifically proven. Which kingdom in present day Nigeria or around Africa is up to 150,000 years old? Now I'm talking about 250,000 years. And you come to tell me that these people have no history. And you design a school curriculum, you design a secondary school curriculum without including anything about them.